was fun. Finally felt great compared to the run from last week. That did not feel good at all. Probably helps that I'm at home, the weather's shining, or the sun's shining. I'm not working because it's a bank holiday weekend. You're gonna see what we got today, but this is what we got. Actually, we can tick that now. That's ticked. We got those 3 left to do. So, shower time first. Ooh, and I forgot. We got an exciting delivery coming up today. Hopefully it's coming up today. I'm pretty sure I got a notification that it's getting delivered today. We just have today a very easy day when it comes to learning. I'm trying to make an effort to do at least 30 to 45 minutes of active learning every single day. This is probably the first day that I've had of proper learning in a good 6 to 8 weeks. I've been really lazy. Today we're going over JavaScript arrays and loops and how they interact and how you can use them in JavaScript, and then you can hold information within arrays and how you can use for loops for different functions and all of that basically. It's gonna become in one of those subjects where it's hard to really get a good grasp in it, but I think I'm getting it. We spent the last hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, finishing up the to-do list. I don't know if you can see it. Anyways, we got 3 out of 4 things done, which is actually good going, which is for this time. And the last thing on the to-do list today is just filming this vlog and editing it. So as I'm doing right now, I'm filming it currently and editing it. Yeah, it's actually been a very, very productive day. Sadly, no exciting delivery today. But for now, we really have not a lot left to do. So let's get a snack. Let's get a snack. Because I went on a run, as you could see from the beginning of the vlog. So I would crave chocolate chip cookies and Coke. I usually go for Coke Zero, but this time I go for full fat Coke. So we've been learning today so far of arrays and loops on JavaScript and how you can use an array to hold a different amount of information within JavaScript and within the code, and then how you can use loops to access that information or to kind of help you go through, like have the code just kind of loop through it until you get to a certain iteration that you're looking after and then stop there, or those sort of things. That's kind of what I'm learning. I'm not sure if I'm making much sense about it. So it's been interesting because today's been the first day in a good 6 weeks probably that I've actually dedicated time to reading and trying to understand it. Also, what do you think of these voiceovers? Do you like them? You don't like them? I don't know. I enjoy them so far. I've just been out and actually we did get something delivered. So let's see what we have here. Let's unbox this into our proper YouTube studio. Let's unbox this. These are actually great looking products. Thank you to INIU for sending me these 2 battery packs. So this is a wireless battery bank. So this little small one, and obviously it has MagSafe, so it's perfect. So then I can just attach it to my phone and starts charging right away. And then it gives you like a little, kind of like, has a nice little paw, which I kind of enjoy really. It gives you kind of like the status of the battery itself. And then it has a nice little quirky little stand. You can stand your phone. So if you want to charge it, you can stand it sideways as well, I'm guessing. Yeah, you can stand it sideways as well. That's perfect. And then this other one is, and this is just a 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank that has the USB-C cable attached already, and it's fast charging, and it's great. You can connect another USB-C cable here, a USB-A cable here, and it's just your traditional battery bank. So this would be great. These two would be great for work, especially next week. I'll be traveling a lot next week. So, and this one can be charged by USB-C. So looking forward to it, because I have this one, this battery bank from Anker, but the stand broke. It's really flimsy. It's a really flimsy. So we'll see how it stacks against it. Yeah, this is a 10,000, I think. This is a 5,000 milliamp hour back. 5,000 milliamp power. This is a 10,000 power bank, and then this is another 10,000 actually. So this is double the size in battery, but it's half the size in size wise. It's a little longer, but I kind of prefer it. So we'll see how it stacks. But I'm excited. Again, thank you, INIU, for sending this over to me. I can't wait to test them out properly. I'm gonna test them out. I'm gonna put it to charge so it gets to full charge on both of them. So yeah, that's the exciting bit. So yeah, so it'll be exciting to put this to the test over the next few weeks. Oh, this is also great. Oh, that's incredible. Wait, what? So I thought that was just a standard, just kind of like lanyard to carry on, but it's not. It's not just your standard. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable, very tiny one. But if you need it, if you're desperate for it, it's perfect. And I really thought it was just a normal lanyard. Wow. Oh yes. Let's put this to the test. And yeah, but that is it for me today. That's kind of like what I've been waiting for to get delivered. So they send this over to me, which I'll be putting to the test, and I can't wait to test them out. They look a lot better than I thought they would. So yeah, that is the end of the vlog. I'll see you guys next week.